Tired of cluttered notebooks and endless paper trails? Let's dive headfirst into the ultimate showdown, Kilonotes vs Flexcil, to see which note-taking titan reigns supreme. First up, Kilonotes. Notice the minimalist design. Creating notebooks is a breeze. Tap the plus icon, customize your cover, and you're ready to go. Experiment with different pen styles and colors to personalize your handwriting. Kilonotes shines with its smooth handwriting and impressive conversion accuracy. Scribble away and watch your handwritten notes transform into legible text. Now, let's shift gears to Flexcil. This app takes annotation to the next level. See how easily you can drag and drop text excerpts from PDFs, making research and studying a breeze. Flexcil is all about efficiency. Master the intuitive gesture controls, highlighting key points, summarizing lengthy paragraphs, and seamlessly connecting related notes with simple swipes. Time for the nitty-gritty. Pricing. Kilonotes offers a generous free plan with essential features, while Flexcil operates on a freemium model with in-app purchases for advanced functionality. Carefully consider your budget and usage needs when deciding which app is the best value for you. So, Kilonotes with its user-friendly interface and solid handwriting, or Flexcil with its powerful annotation and gesture controls. The choice is yours. Let us know your pick in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity app showdowns.